there's the beast, slightly modified since the last time you saw it. And of course the title gave it away. It appears that this is probably the best angle to see that windscreen that I recently installed. It only took me 5 years. Let me try and walk around, give you a look at it. It's a pretty bright day here in central Texas, so it's not very easy to see. It was even worse inside the garage because of all the lights reflecting on it. There's a pretty good angle right there. Get a head-on shot. Also try and give you an angle of what it looks like sitting on the seat. Put the bike upright. You can clearly see over the top of it. It's not in your way. That's what it looks like if you're looking through it. And I will say it clearly deflects a lot of the wind, but it still does hit my face. And this isn't one of those that's designed to totally block it. It's more or less designed for sport mode when you want to lean forward across the fake tank and lay down on top of that and tuck behind the screen. It's very effective at that. But with it on there the way it is, it blocks everything off of my chest. But it still does hit me in the face, which can't be avoided unless I lean over the top of the bike. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. And the reason why it took 5 years is because I wasn't sure if I really wanted it on there or not. But after riding the Goldwing, I decided, okay, I'll go ahead and put it on and see what happens. But it definitely pales in comparison to the Goldwing windscreen. But I bought this windscreen. It's OEM, by the way. This is official Yamaha windscreen accessory for this bike. As you can see how it form fits, particularly how it kind of bubbles out right there to go around the shift indicator. So it looks really, really cool. And I bought this not long after I bought the bike, way back in 2020. So it's been in a box ever since. Debated on whether or not I really wanted it, and decided to go ahead and do it. So recently I installed it. And for those of you, in case you are wondering, there's only 4 bolts holding this thing on. Right here's a bolt on each side of the, I think they call it a multi-function display, but basically it's your tach and speedometer. And 1 bolt on each side there. And there's another bolt down here that goes in the lower mount of the headlight. And they provide 4 bolts because each of the bolts that you are going to remove, they require more length, so they provide longer bolts to go through the bracket. So those 4 longer bolts are all provided. The whole thing takes probably less than 10 or 15 minutes to put the thing on there. There is some mounting you need to do to mount the brackets onto the windscreen itself. That's actually the longest part. Mounting it to the bike was the quickest part. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you guys this in case anyone's interested in getting an OEM Yamaha accessory for your Yamaha VMAX 1700. I think it looks really, really cool. And again, like I said, it does take all the wind pretty much off of my body. It still hits me in the helmet, but if I duck down just a little bit, that does subside. All right, well, that's all there is to this video. See you next time.